Hello, what's up, guys? And we are live on YouTube.
Hi there, guys. Let's give it a moment. Maybe
Yep.
look at the anchor text, Chen Yu.
Yes, so we are live on YouTube now. Hello, what's up, guys? Yeah.
What's up?
And we are live on YouTube. All right. So, guys, we just give you a second, okay?
Hello, can you hear me? Just testing.
Can hear you. Can hear you.
Okay, let us start. Maybe you want to add the anchor text.
All right. Okay, guys. So, welcome to the Oliver's Academy. So today it's me here with my co-host, Jing.
I think you need to enable annotate.
Yep. So today we will be touching on Euro USD, and for Chen, he'll be touching on gold. So I've already enabled annotation for him to actually mark out and draw the charts as I do as well. So as usual, today is a Tuesday, so this is the start of a new session or a new New York session. So remember, always the midpoint of the week is the most important, and because we are able to find the most interesting and high probability setups for us to take. So if you look on Euro USD, right, we can see that price have been very bullish, right? It's been very bullish as mentioned yesterday, and it actually already hit our point of interest as mentioned, which is this point over here. Yes, I've marked it out on the charts, so we can see this particular point of interest being very, 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 very important because it's a key swing high. Yeah, so as you can see that on this chart, we can see price actually reacted off this chart and is rejecting. However, for us to actually confirm that it's a true rejection, we would like to see price close below the level and actually come down to, mitigate some of the inefficiencies here and here. So that is a level that we'll be keen to look at on Euro USD. And also, actually, in the morning, I actually took a Euro USD trade, and I will be analyzing it with you guys. Before I start, Chen, are you able to click on to annotate?
Yeah, can. By the
Okay.
way, the YouTube only can see your face, cannot see mine.
Okay. 1 second.
Why are you denying access?
Okay, it seems like I'm unable to allow you to show your face.
It's okay, it's fine, it's fine.
Okay, fine. We'll just start again. So, okay, so as back to the topic, as we can see on Euro USD, right? I will now be analyzing the trade that I've taken in the morning. And if you can see on Euro USD in the morning, I will go to the 5 minute time frame. Okay. So I actually entered this based on SMC, and I entered it right here. Let me just mark it out for you guys. So this area here is an area that I've marked out, and that's the area where I've actually longed. And this was a no news zone. Sorry, not no news zone. There was no news happening, and it was a very safe and purely technical trade.
I think you entered pretty much earlier. Is it lower?
I entered somewhat at about.
I think it's lower, right? Because this entire big bullish.
Oh yes, I entered much lower, much lower.
Yeah.
Yes. So actually, guys, I actually entered here. Thanks, Yongqing, for pointing that out. Yes, exactly here. Yeah, right about this entire accumulation that you guys can see. I actually entered price here. And the reason why I entered price here was because we can see that this entire reaccumulation actually led to a move up. Okay, and this move actually broke structure here. So hence that gives me confirmation that price can start to go bullish and can start to hit further upwards. So when price had to do a deep lying retracement and a retracement started heading down, I looked to the left and I saw these areas of tiny inefficiencies on the 1 minute time frame that price can tap into. And when I saw these market inefficiencies or fair value gaps that it can be seen on the 1 hour time frame, I saw price actually reacted off these areas nicely, and he actually rejected off these areas, as can be seen from these 2 weeks. This week here, this entire 2 weeks here. So after rejecting off this area, I actually took a long somewhere here at about 1.0317 over here with my SL below this swing high. Sorry, this swing low. So I actually entered my long over here with SL below this swing low, and I waited for about 30 minutes to an hour before price started to head up. So the entire trade alone backed me about 1 to 4 risk to reward, and it was a decent risk to reward for a pure technical trade and a pure intraday trade. So it was a trade that has actually entered on in the Asian session, as you can see, and that's why there was a very slow movement and ranging throughout all the way until London came at about, or pre-London came about 2 p.m., 3 p.m. So that was the trade recap for my trade that I've taken. And so far we believe that Euro USD can continue going up, but we will see whether it respects this swing high that I've marked out right over here, because it is important to see that if price were to close below this area, it will be a clear rejection, and we can see price coming down to clear these other areas of market inefficiencies. Yes. So now I would like to pass my time to Chen, and Chen, whether do you have anything else to add for Euro USD?
So yeah, so actually since we are not trading at the moment because there's the US PPI releasing at 9:30 p.m. So we are avoiding that for now. But if the PPI is good, price could possibly hit back down to this tiny, okay, it's not tiny, it's pretty big. This nice little fair value gap on the daily. Well, that is if the PPI, oh my, okay. That is if the PPI is good. So if the PPI is bad, price could possibly head up to this. Very, very nice. Let me get the annotation out. To this very nice supply zone right up there on the daily. Do you agree with that, Chen?
Yeah, I do agree with you. Just to clarify, what Chen means by the CPI doing badly and doing well, the PPI. When the PPI is doing well, we expect that price to continue pushing upwards, because of course when the PPI is doing well, that means that the producer's price index is actually decreasing. We look at it in the way that it's actually decreasing, and that puts more pressure for the Feds to hike their rates, or sorry, to slow down their rates, and that would lead to a more risk on environment. And that's why we believe that Euro USD can actually start heading up further to this supply zone. Yeah, like what Chen said. And however, just do bear in mind that sometimes news doesn't really play out as what we think it is. It might just be might just be the market pushing price to a certain direction before it wipes out people's stop losses. Like exactly like what Chen had mentioned, when there's a possibility that price can reach out this supply zone, just whipsaw everybody's stop losses and smash right down. So yeah, that's very possible too, Chen.
Oh yeah, nice. I agree with that. So yeah, maybe move on to gold. I'll just do it on the daily. Just a quick one since we are not trading at the moment.
Yes,
It's a very, very quick one.
Let me pull out the gold chart real quick.
All right.
So now we are on gold. Okay.
Okay, just a very quick one. Just looking at the daily. If the PPI is good, we can potentially look for price to break this liquidity area right there. So I'll draw a line. So we can potentially look for price to break this area, but let me take a look before that. whether this supply zone has been tapped. Okay, it's already tapped. So yeah. So I'm looking for price to possibly break this nice area right here. This liquidity area, the buy side liquidity. BS, LQ. Price potentially to break upwards if the PPI is go. If the PPI is bad. So if it's okay, apologize for that. So if it's good, potentially you can see go reverse back down to this. Very nice, fair value gap located at. Can you say the value out, Chen?
Yep, that area right at 1720-ish to about 1745.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, that's just about it for gold. Just a very quick one. Since the news is coming up, does play it safe. Just wait for the news to pass, maybe an hour or so. You can get back to trading.
Yeah, so ultimately, me and Chen, we are always wanting to take the prime setups. Just always remember that, when you are trading a $1,000 account or $5,000 account, you should always play it as though you're trading $1,000,000 account, taking only the best setups. Because, if you want to just enter a risky play or, just a random entry on a 1K account or $500 account, if you're on a $1,000,000 account, you would sure as hell not want to do that on the $1,000,000 account, right? You're right, Chen?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so it's been a long day, guys. So really just trade safe. Okay, make sure you guys manage risk properly. And me and Chen would definitely will hope to see you guys back again tomorrow. And this time we will promise you guys that there'll not be any more technical difficulties, because I know it's been quite interrupted for today especially. Yeah, so
Okay, just moving out on the daily. Maybe you can zoom out a bit to see the swing high on the daily.
okay.
Okay. Look, I'm looking at possibly the descending trend line has been broken. So I'm just noting out the area. Nothing much, just noting out that the test areas, it was tested 3 times, so it's a very descending trend line. So yeah, there's a pretty nice breakout that we are looking at right now. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else to add on.
Yeah, so so gold is definitely very, very bullish as of right now. So we will definitely want to see how price reacts those levels that Chen have mentioned, at least supply zone right here.
But there might be an issue with gold, because if you look across, if you draw a very nice line, there is a pretty much a resistance, pretty nice resistance area.
Yes. So that is also an area that we would have to take note for gold.
All right, that's about it.
Yep, yes, guys. So that's about it for today. So please do make sure to leave a like down on our stream below, and do leave a comment down on the comment section if you guys are interested or if you guys have any other questions. Also, do remember to follow us on our trading view, our personal trading views. Let me just pull it out right now. Just 1 second. Right here. So this is Chen Yongjing's social media for TradingView. So you can see he posts actually very, very frequent trade recaps or market analysis or chart analysis, and it's all very, very concise and informative. So make sure you guys do give it a follow, okay? And do boost some of the posts that we have, because that would really mean a lot to us. And also do remember to follow my personal ones, which are right at my name here at Chen_Yu. And I also post daily updates and outlooks on trades, news or charts. So yeah. So make sure you guys leave a like on the stream, and we'll see you guys tomorrow again. See you guys.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.